Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Google Play gift card from another country so you can use those funds even if the region of the card doesn't match your current location. Google Play gift cards are region locked for security reasons, but you can get around this by creating a dedicated payment profile that matches the country where the card was originally purchased. To get started, you should not try to redeem the code directly in the Play Store app yet, as this will likely trigger a code cannot be redeemed in your region error. Instead, you should open a web browser on your phone or laptop and go to pay.google.com to manage your profiles. Once you are logged in, tap on the settings menu and look for the matches your gift card and fill in a random address from that region, such as local hotel or a public landmark to satisfy the system requirements. Once your new international profile is created, you must switch your active profile to this new country before attempting to use the code. After the switch, you can return to the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon, and go to the Payments and Subscriptions menu to select Redeem Code. When you enter the gift card number now, the system will recognize your account as being from the correct region and add the balance to your wallet instantly. It is important to remember that Google only allows you to change your official Play Store country once per year, so creating a second payment profile is the best way to bypass this limit without locking your main account. If you are still seeing an error, you might need to use a VPN and set your location to the same country as the gift card while you are redeeming the code.